Safety Toolbox Talk number 391. Fire risk during maintenance or shutdowns. 1. Introduction. Shutdowns, also called turnarounds or outages, are critical periods in industrial operations where systems are inspected, cleaned, repaired, or upgraded. Maintenance activities may be scheduled, preventive, or unscheduled, corrective. These operations introduce non-routine risks, particularly fire hazards, due to the presence of flammable materials, ignition sources, temporary equipment, and unfamiliar personnel. 2. High-risk activities and scenarios. A. Hot work operations. Sparks from welding or grinding can ignite vapors or dust. Cutting old pipes or tanks may expose flammable residues. B. Confined space work. Cleaning tanks or vessels may release vapors that ignite with a spark. Lack of ventilation can allow dangerous concentrations to build up. C. Opening process equipment. Line breaking can release flammable substances unexpectedly. Inadequate purging or isolation increases ignition potential. D. Electrical work. Temporary setups may overload circuits or lack grounding. Use of non-rated electrical tools in hazardous areas. E. Use of chemicals and solvents. Flammable cleaning agents, degreasers, and paint used during maintenance. Improper storage or handling can lead to vapor accumulation. F. Shutdown of fire protection systems. Sprinklers, hydrants, or fire detection systems may be isolated or under repair. Delays detection and response if fire breaks out. Three. Real-life fire incidents during shutdowns. Case 1, refinery tank fire. Cause, hot work near a tank that was believed to be empty but contained flammable vapor residue. Consequence, explosion injured 2 workers, major fire damage. Case 2, warehouse fire during electrical maintenance. Cause, temporary light sparked near stacked flammable rags. Consequence, facility shut down, millions in damage. Case 3, chemical plant fire during turnaround. Cause, improper line breaking led to gas release near a heater. Consequence, flash fire and evacuation of plant. Four. Control measures and preventive strategies. A. Fire risk assessment. Perform a detailed fire risk analysis before the shutdown. Identify ignition sources, flammable materials, impaired systems. B. Permit to work, PTW, system. Use for hot work, confined spaces, electrical work, etc. Require gas testing, isolations, and fire watch personnel. C. Hot work controls. Use hot work permits and pre-job gas testing. Remove flammables from area, use flame retardant blankets. Provide dedicated fire watch during and after work, e.g. 30 to 60 minutes. D. Temporary equipment safety. Ensure equipment is explosion-proof and grounded. Avoid overloading circuits, inspect cords and connections. Place generators and heaters in safe, ventilated areas. E. Flammable materials management. Limit quantities of flammable liquids and rags on site. Store chemicals in flame-proof cabinets away from ignition sources. F. Isolation of energy sources. Lockout/tagout, LOTO, of electrical, mechanical, and process systems. Use positive isolation, blinds, spades, or double block and bleed. G. Fire protection readiness. Ensure extinguishers are nearby and functional. Have backup fire protection, portable units, if fixed systems are down. Test fire alarms and communication systems before shutdown begins. H. Training and supervision. Conduct safety inductions with fire safety emphasis. Assign trained supervisors to oversee high-risk tasks. I. Emergency planning. Define muster points and evacuation routes. Conduct fire drills and ensure access for emergency responders. Five. Best practices checklist. Fire risk assessment conducted. Hot work permits in place and reviewed. Flammable materials removed from hot work area. Fire extinguishers inspected and placed at key locations. Fire watch assigned and trained. Temporary equipment inspected and certified. Emergency contacts and plans communicated to all workers. Contractors trained on fire hazards. Thank you.